I am not rising to object to any of the issues. Rather, I am highly elated by the gallantry and eloquence of the very constructive contributions of distinguished senators. However, I just want to re-emphasize on paragraph 361, which has addressed the specific regional development challenges of all the regions of this country, and to particularly say that in this agenda, they need to create a legislative platform that will enable government to directly intervene and facilitate the return and reconstruction of displaced communities following the insecurity that has been characterized by violence and banditry. We gladly note the intervention that is leading to reconstruction in the Northeast. And if we can replicate that in the North Central and in the Northwest that are currently challenged by displacement, that will bring succor to communities and internally displaced persons. That will be the emphasis that I'll be adding for us to place in this agenda that is very, very well articulated. Thank you, Mr. President and distinguished colleagues.
Thank you very much. Senator Tolu Odebi.
Mr. President,